Hello, my dear crafters. Today is my last item for the Valentine series, and I came up with something that is like last minute. If you still have people to give gifts to and you're kind of in a hurry, this is perfect. It's a very quick thing to make. Look how cute they look. It's a little book with chocolate inside. Look at that. It's so quick and simple to make. You can make this in no time at all. This is the one that we're making together today. Let me open it up so you see what it looks like, okay? Let me open this one here. Look at that. You have two little hard chocolate and a little note. This is a little note for you to write to your loved one. Say, well, have a great Valentine Day. Thank you for being whatever, my friend or my husband or whatever you want. Very quick, beautiful project. I'll open another one and I'll leave that one for us to do together, okay? So this one I decorated really well. There you are, two hearts, a little note here for your loved one. How cute is that, huh? Look at that. So, without further ado, let's move to the tutorial. You see how quick it is. I have used this paper. You've seen it before. And with 2 pages, you can make 2 of these. That's how great it is. Very quick and easy to make. So, let's move to the tutorial. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of paper that is 4 1/8 of an inch by 3. And you're going to need 4 pieces, 4 mats, 2 for the outside and 2 for the inside. And these are 2 7/8 of an inch, 2 7/8 by 1 5/8 of an inch, okay? So these are the mats. For this one, I got this ephemera here that is a perfect size. So I am going to actually not use one of those, but that's what you need, okay? And this is just for decoration. I'm just going to put this in here. So that's what you need. And then you need 2 pieces of paper for the spine, also inside and outside. So these are 2 7/8, so the same height, by 1/2 inch, okay? Actually, guys, if you use, that's the paper that I use. You've seen this before on my series, and I really love it, and I found it at Hobby Lobby. So with 2 pages, 2 6 by 6, you can make 2 of these boxes, okay? So just so you know. Okay, so let's do some scoring. Oh, and of course, you're going to need 2 pieces of chocolate. And for the little note, that envelope that looks like a card, I just have a little heart here for closure. And this is 3 by 1 3/8 of an inch. Don't worry about all these dimensions. They're always in my description, okay? I always have it there for you. So let's do some scoring. We're going to start with this. We're going to see how easy this is to make, guys. Great for last minute. So we're going to score at 1 3/4. It's just 2 scoring lines here. 1 3/4 and 2 3/8. So that's 2 here, 3/8. 2 3/8. That's all the scoring you need. I'm going to burnish that. And then let's decorate it, okay? Let me just zoom in for you. This is way too far. Much better. So we're going to decorate. I'm going to leave these for the outside. So I'm going to use some glue for the outside. This is such a fun thing to make. Yeah, so this is going to be... Oh, I almost made a mistake yet again. I don't know how many times I've done this. So before you glue that, you're going to put your ribbon, because I forgot to tell you, you need some ribbon too. So 2 pieces of ribbon. This one is a twine actually. So I use, just to keep it in place, I'm going to use some double-sided tape. It helps hold it in place. So here we are. 2 pieces of double-sided. I'm going to put on both here so I don't forget the other side as well. This It's so hard to get off, you guys. I always have to struggle with it. So there, you always need something pointy like this. It's the only way to do it. There. So we're going to have this round piece right here. I'm going to just press it down. Gonna do it the same thing with the other side. Just press it down close like that. So there you go. And now we're going to glue it. I have to put another layer of glue here because I glue it. Okay, so there you go. We're going to decorate the back. That's the back. Use your bone folder just to press it down and make sure that it's really well glued. That's good. I'm going to use my ephemera piece that I found, and I thought this is absolutely perfect for this box. The size was almost the size of these mats here, but good enough. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm going to place that. Again, use your bone folder. Press where the ribbon is, the twine. Okay, so that's that. And we're going to add the spine. The spine now. And then we're going for the inside. I'm just going to finish my decoration. And look what I had this ephemera too. I put a little heart here, and I have double-sided foam adhesive here. So I am going to just finish my decoration part. I'm just gonna add this with a grateful heart. So that's the front. Now let's do the inside. Pretty much the same. You're going to add 2 mats and the spine. I hope you guys made a lot of my projects, that you were able to enjoy your time, and this was really fun doing this Valentine series. It was first time I do this, so it was really fun to think every day. I would wake up and think about the next thing I could do to have some tutorials, and it was really fun. I hope you enjoyed it and you got to make some of it. Okay, this is for the inside. There you go. We're done here. So let's make our little tiny envelope thing. So let's move this aside. We're going to score it at 1 1/8 of an inch and 2 1/4. And what I do here, I have this punch that you see me use all the time, and this one has 3 types of punches. So I'm going to use this one this time. Every time I use a different one, and that's what I love about this. This one is different from the other 2 that you saw. It has like 3 options. So all we need to do now is just, there you go, we have a perfect envelope here. And I'm going to just add the little heart. Get some glue only on the top because you don't want it to really close. So just add it right here, just to the top, hold it. And what I do is I add some double-sided tape here so that it closes, but not like perfectly. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So we're going to add this to the left. Let me get this out of the way. So this is where this goes. we're going to just add it here. Hold it. And this is perfect because it's tiny, but you can write a lot there, guys. Have a lot of options. And the last thing we're going to do is add the chocolate. So the chocolate, I add a double-sided foam adhesive. I think it's better than just adhesive. So use what you have, but if you have foam adhesive, it's better. It just holds better and kind of pushes it up a little bit. So I think it's just perfect. Okay, there you go. Yay! Oh, look at this. How cute is that? And then you turn around and you have a beautiful little box. Now all you need to do is to just tie a beautiful bow. Hold on. Tie a bow and you are done. Isn't this cute and fast and absolutely adorable? You're going to make a lot of your friends happy with this one. So let me just move this mess out of the way and show you all 3 that I made for this. I hope you enjoyed it, and just go to your craft room and make a whole bunch of these because you can make so many. Okay, it's a great way to use your 6x6 paper pad. So have fun, and thank you so much for being here with me and for, taking a look at my series. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great Valentine Day, okay? Thank you so much.